Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will see all the shortcuts that could be used while drafting in AutoCAD. I will guide you through one key shortcuts, toggles and screen management, all hotkeys from A to Z, and in the end, I will share a printable keyboard stickers page that you can paste on your keyboard and your muscle memory will become strong. Then you can directly use them on any keyboard. Well, these are the one key shortcuts. You will get better once you will practice them all along. Then we have some toggle general functions, like you can toggle the UCS, the grid, the isometric planes, and running object snaps. Then you can toggle some drawing modes, like toggle 3D O snap and toggle ortho mode. These are the main and most important ones that I'm telling you right now. In manage screen, you can clean screen, you can use the tool palette, and you can use the quick calculator with these commands. To manage the workflow, and my most favorite keys are the copy object, cut object, paste object, and even you can use this copy to clipboard with paste point and paste data as block. They are very different. Similarly goes with new drawing, save drawing, open drawing, and plot, which are very common. Then comes some hotkeys from A to Z, like A for an arc, B for block, C for circle, L for line, so and so on. You cannot get all of them at once, but when you will be practicing, you will become better and better with the passage of time. Now this is the most important page. These are the stickers. So you can simply print them, put them on your keyboard, as I personally did the same when I started learning this Autodesk AutoCAD. Your muscle memory will develop and then you would be able to use these shortcuts at any other keyboard as well. So this was all about the keyboard shortcuts. See you in next session. Till then, take care.